All right, let's dive right into DayZero Hacking Labs, a hands-on cybersecurity training platform.
And just so we're clear, this isn't a game. It's all about real-world vulnerability research.
Here, you'll be exploiting actual production-grade vulnerabilities from today's security landscape.
We'll walk you through the whole journey from a candidate's point of view. So, here's our gameplay. The moment you hit Deploy Lab, a standalone environment gets spun up just for you.
This is your own secure arena, built to replicate the exact conditions of historically significant CVEs.
And these components make sure you have a realistic, completely interference-free testing ground.
Okay, so you've got your environment. What's next? How do you even approach this thing?
Well, the lab gives you a pretty clear 5-step method to guide you through the process.
And this really shows you how each step just logically flows right into the next one.
A lot of the time, your main goal is to get what's called remote code execution, or RCE. To succeed, you'll really need to master these core skills, from analysis all the way to execution. And you're definitely going to want to be comfortable with these standard offensive security tools.
Of course, there are rules. The big ones: follow the guidelines, and absolutely no plagiarism. So, when it's all over, how is your performance actually evaluated? Well, every report is checked by hand.
A huge 80% of your score comes down to your technical execution. That's the main part.
And that last 20%, that's all about your reporting and, a bit of creativity.
And doing well definitely gets noticed. You'll get points, cool badges, and props from the community.
So if you're ready for a real challenge, good luck. The lab awaits.